Hi guys, I'm Tutor and my name is Andres Torrenada. I'm living here Cúcuta Norte in Santander. In this video, I'm gonna talking about uh, the importance of the statement in our class. Well, it's very important that teacher know what to teach, how to teach, and how to accept. Because in the system education now in our country have a lot of problems. But one problem is very upset our student that we are as a teacher don't put in the shoes the our student. For them, a lot of students fall around the Colombia don't like to learn more if it's learn in another language because Colombia is in the last country of the country of the Latin America that don't want to learn because we are as a teacher don't looking ways to reach our students. We need to implement way to how to reach our students. For them, we need to use kids. We need to use cell phone. We need to use computer, material didactic that students feel great to work with that. With this, sorry. For them, we are as a teacher, we need to change every day. We need to looking for ways every day for change our class. The wave or the material that we're gonna use in our class, that this material can influence possibility in the our students. For them, we need to use computer, music, guitar. If you can't play guitar, I recommend that you use guitar because the music is the way very important for the time to learn. And we as a teacher, we always looking for how to change or how to impact in the life of our students. Where I think that is everything that I need to say, but I hope that you understand what I say. Thank you very much for the rest.